platform 8 will be the 0742 London Midland service to Milton Keynes Central, calling at Hemel Hempstead, Berkhamsted, Tring, Killington, Leighton Buzzard, Lexington and of 8:30. Stand well back on platform 8. The next train at platform 7 does not stop here.